Dear students, welcome to our class on atmosphere bits, basics 2. Okay, in the basics 1, we try to understand some bits. In continuation, I would like to impress upon you few most important bits that would appear in JRF, SRF, NET, or even in the interviews you may be asked. At the same time, for your midterm and theory final exams or even in the Viva, these bits may be asked. Now, see in the part 2 of the atmospheric bits, most important bit is see in the earlier class I have told the structure of the atmosphere. The ozonosphere extends from ozonosphere, O-Z-O-N-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, ozonosphere 30 to 60 kilometers, okay, from the surface of the earth. Again, of course, troposphere, average height is 14 to 15 kilometers. Stratosphere, okay, from say 18 to 55 kilometers. Troposphere. Mesosphere is from 55 to 85 kilometers. Okay, in between 80 and 140 we have got thermosphere. Okay, thermosphere. Now see from up to 400 kilometers, ionosphere up to 400 kilometers. Ionosphere, it is up to 400 kilometers. That means 142 or earlier 85. In some text you will find from 85 onwards or say 145, 400 kilometers ionosphere. Here the most important bit is the long distance radio communication is possible in the ionosphere. Then the last one is the exosphere. The exosphere extends from say 400 to 1000 kilometers. Okay, these are all the bits. Now see, as far as the definition of meteorology itself is concerned, the word meteorology is derived from Greek language. The word climatology is also derived from a Greek language. Meteor means a thing above. Logos means study. Clima means slope of the earth. Clima means slope of the earth. Okay. Clima, slope of the earth. This is now another the state or condition of the atmosphere. The state or condition of the atmosphere at a particular time, at a particular place and a given instant of time. The state or condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and a given instant of time is known as dash. It is weather. The generalized weather or summation of weather conditions over a given region during comparatively longer period is known as climate. This bit is likely to come now. So the meteorology itself definition, meteorology is the study of the science of atmosphere is known as meteorology. Okay, now see, climatology and meteorology are derived from Greek language, and the most important bits after this are solstices and equinoxes. Usually, while the earth is rotating around itself in 1 day in 364.5 days around the sun, sometimes the earth goes close to, because it is elliptical, sometimes the earth goes close to the sun, away from the sun sometimes. So these are noted by certain standard terms. We call them as the solstices and equinoxes. The of course, the winter solstice, S-O-L-S-T-I-C-E, the winter solstice, solstice, winter solstice is December 22nd, winter solstice, December 22nd, the summer solstice is June 21st. Summer solstice is June 20th. What is solstice? Of course, during the revolution of the earth, at certain time during the year, it reaches maximum declination. So that's what we call it as the solstice. The equinox, day and night are equal in 2 days in a year. So those days we call them as the equinoxes. E-Q-U-I-N-O-X-E-S, equinoxes. Of course, the equinoxes are two. March 21st. Spring equinox, we call it as a spring equinox, March 21st, and of course the autumn equinox we get on 22nd December. Of course, the 4 seasons of generally, the spring, summer, autumn and winter are the most common seasons in any country or any region. So these are the most possible bits to appear in atmosphere bits basics too. Thanking you for your patience.